Hey everybody, Mark Graff again, talking about how to get the most out of your home network. I talked in the last video a little bit about bandwidth, the overall capacity of your system, but I want to tell you also it matters not just how big a pipe you've got, but what people are doing on your network. So yeah, it does make a difference if you're trying to have a video session and somebody, maybe a teenager, is watching a movie or playing a video game. Yes, those make a difference. So what you want to do is figure out what's most important at any given time for your network, and then optimize for that. Make that the focus. And if you need to, if you don't have a lot of bandwidth, if you've got a 100 megabits a second or 150, that's great. But if you don't, you're going to have to pick and choose a little bit. It may mean that people have to take turns. But yes, it matters what people are doing on the network in your house in terms of how well the video comes across, how smooth it looks. And the big things that really drain it are downloading a movie, watching a movie, doing video calls, and also playing online video games in real time. There's also the factor of whether or not you're, for example, if you've got one of those things that records movies, if you've got a TV show that's being recorded, well, typically your TV show is going to be downloaded over the internet connection. Even if the TV isn't turned on, it's going to be downloading it. So you have to build some awareness of what those big things are and then control them if you can, so that the thing that's most important to you gets kind of the space to itself for the big stuff. And that'll let you get the most out of your home network when you need it. That's all for now. Thanks. And let's all keep safe out there. I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.